Unraveling the phrase, bad blood. Hello everyone. Today, we're diving deep into an interesting English idiom, bad blood. Have you ever come across this phrase and wondered what it means? Well, by the end of this video, you'll understand it thoroughly and know how to use it in everyday conversations. Bad and blood are both common English words. Bad typically means something that's not good or undesirable. Blood refers to the red liquid that circulates in our bodies. However, when these words are combined to form the phrase, bad blood, they take on a different meaning altogether. Bad blood is an idiom which means long-standing negative feelings, resentment, or animosity between two people or groups. It doesn't have anything to do with actual blood. For example, if two friends had a major argument and didn't speak to each other for years, you could say there's bad blood between them. This phrase captures the essence of lingering negative emotions or tensions. To get a better grasp, let's look at some example sentences. 1. After the disagreement over the business deal, there has been bad blood between the two companies. 2. I don't think those two will ever reconcile. There's too much bad blood between them. 3. The rivalry match always brings out the bad blood between the fans. As you can see, bad blood fits seamlessly into different contexts, all pointing towards unresolved negative emotions or tensions. It's always interesting to know where phrases come from. The concept of associating blood with feelings or emotions isn't new. Historically, blood has been linked to our passions and temperaments, so the idea of bad blood easily alludes to negative or hostile feelings. And there we have it. The next time you come across a situation where there are unresolved tensions or long-standing disagreements, you'll know that you can describe it as bad blood. We hope this video has shed some light on this fascinating phrase. Remember, English is full of such intriguing idioms, and understanding them can make your language journey even more enriching. Until next time, happy learning!